Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Tuesday night. What's that mean, guys?
Pack opening.
Pack opening. We thought we'd get one done. Going to stick to basketball cards. Yep. Our local high school's got a big state semifinal game, and we're rooting for those Drury Blue Devils. We didn't make it down, but we're going to watch it on TV. So we're hoping for a big win.
Go
but
Drury.
Before that, we are going to open up a couple packs of 1979 Topps. And in those packs, we're looking for Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. We're looking for Pete Maravich, George the Iceman Gervin. And we had a little bit of a mishap as we were filming the first section of the video. So the pack that Julian's going to do, he actually already took the wrapper off and the video got messed up. So he's going to, we haven't looked at the cards yet. So he's going to put the cards out flat. And we'll move Sam's pack over. So why don't we put the cards right down there, Jules, and go through those. So we have Ron Brewer for the Trailblazers. We have Pete Maravich. Look at that. We got... No, I got to see it on the camera, Jules. There we go. There it is. There's a nice looking Pete Maravich card. Sorry for the glare. So we're going to definitely put that one aside because that's a good score. Next we have Don Ford. All right. Eddie Johnson. I'm going to just put these down flat, Jules, because of the glare. Keep going. Tom Boswell for the Nuggets. Darnell Hillman for the Kings. Flip that one around. Put them on flat, though, because that's the only way we can see them. ML Carr had a long career for the Celtics as well. Very cool. Kevin Greavy for the Bullets.
Our last name.
Yep. Spencer Haywood for the Jazz. Billy Knight for the Pacers. George Johnson for the Nets. Oh, looks like we have a Celtic. Be careful. Rick Roby. All right, good pack. Pete Maravich, great score. Yep. Some other good players in there. Be careful with those cards. Careful. Jules will put those together and let Sam come in here and open this pack up.
So here's the pack, guys.
There it is, 1979 Topps basketball.
It's a little hard to open. Must have been pretty.
No, let's just open it up. Careful. Oh, that gum's broken, so it's not stuck to the card. Why don't you put them flat down so there's no glare? Thank you.
We have John Williamson.
John Williamson, yep, for the Nets.
We have James
Silas for the Spurs. Ooh, Dave Collins. We had him in the other pack the other night for the 1980 Topps, one of Pa's favorite players.
Yeah.
Very cool. Otis Birdsong. Good name.
Yeah.
Ooh, careful.
Fred Brown
for the Supersonics. Cedric Maxwell. Nickname is Cornbread.
I like cornbread. Don Booze.
Yeah, for the Suns.
We have Mike Gale
for the Spurs.
We have
a checklist.
Checklist.
Yep.
I'll put that over here. In our.
Oh, we got a few more.
Yeah.
Mike Bantam for the Pacers. Is that a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar? Wow, we have Pete Maravich and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. We're gonna pull that one here.
Oh, that lighting's...
That's his All-Star card, but that is nicely centered. Very good edges. That's a great card. We've gotten a couple good pulls. I'll switch that one around just so we can.
Phil
Chenier for the Bullets. So I would say that was about as successful as we've been in a while with our packs. Again, these were packs that we acquired recently, and had, again, good faith that we hadn't had, or no one had tampered with them before. And I'm going to say they probably didn't, with Pete Maravich and a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar coming out of them, along with some other good players. So what do we say, everybody?
Bye, guys. Like and subscribe.
Let's like and subscribe, and we appreciate everyone watching, and we'll be back with a new video next Tuesday.
Yep.
All right, have a good week, everybody. Go Drury, right, guys?
Go Drury.